The purpose of this video is to show you what you can do with embedded objects. So here's the investment fact sheet. This is the original one, and this is just a table right here in the investment fact sheet. And when you generate this, I've got it already generated, so you don't have to waste time watching. It comes out like this, and again, this is just a table among other tables in the investment fact sheet. But what you can also do is, hang on, we'll bring up this one. There's no table right here, and that's on purpose. So what we can do is go over here, and we're inserting an object. And what we're inserting is a spreadsheet I already created. And we'll now size it to be exactly what we want. And you'll notice this is the same table, but it's an Excel worksheet. If we double click on it, it's Excel. So we go back in here. Now, if you run this one, and again, I already have the output, so we don't have to wait. Here's the output, which looks about the same. Okay, let me put these side by side. And this one's a little larger, but fundamentally the same thing. But this, again, on the output, on the generated output, is an Excel worksheet. And the beauty of this is you've now delivered them in there a working worksheet, which can include formulas, anything else. And this worksheet was populated with data from the underlying data source. Because keep in mind, the original template, these were tags. And so this is how you can turn a document with embedded objects into it into an output document with embedded objects in it that have been populated with the data. Thank you very much.